Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use past paper questions for your revision. The website I'm using here is physicsandmathstutor.com, and the first thing we do is to select our subject, which for us is chemistry. Next we scroll down and we select our exam board, which is OCRA for us. And we select a module. So if you're just starting AS Chemistry, then what you want is Module 2, Foundations in Chemistry. Here you can see we've got questions arranged by topic, which is really handy. So we've got atoms, isotopes and relative atomic masses. Let's open that up in a new tab. That's the question paper. And we can download this by clicking the arrow at the top and print it. Then after we've had a go at the questions on the question paper, we can download the mark scheme and mark our answers. And it's really good if you can get a different coloured pen to mark your answers with. If you've got any wrong, just correct it in a different colour. And there's still plenty more questions that you can practice with. So even if you've only just started AS, your first year of the A-level, there's lots of different papers on particles, amount of substance and equations.